guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how I clean our dog's teeth. For Teddy, he's a smaller dog, small mouth, and he has sensitive gums. So what I found that works really well for him are these dental wipes. I bought these at Walmart. Petco also has a different brand that you could use that I like as well. But for him, these work really well, just kind of as a daily maintenance thing on his teeth. So these are I actually prefer these a little bit more than the Petco wipes, just because the wipe is bigger. So you get a nice size wipe and they're fairly moist. So all I do, I just drape it over my finger. Teddy's pretty used to this, so I just kind of gently pull his lip open and slide my index finger into his mouth, and I use my other hand just to gently keep his jaw closed because he'll try to chew on it. I'm gonna like speed this up, so just like film me doing it. And then we go to the front. Okay. And then the other side. Okay, turn around. Okay, so that's basically it. It's just a, very gentle circular motion on their teeth and their gums, just as you would brush your own teeth. And, it doesn't take very long, maybe, 60 seconds to do his mouth. And that's pretty much it as far as his, dental care goes, his daily dental care. Every once in a while, I do think it's important to feed your dog some rawhide. I know a lot of people say, rawhide's dangerous. It just depends what kind you buy. So I bought this, I believe, on Amazon. It's all natural rawhide, so there's no bleach and no formaldehyde. They're just like these little strips. And I'll actually, you can even cut them up and make them a little bit smaller. Like maybe I would give Teddy, maybe a chunk like that big. And I always watch him whenever he is chewing it to make sure that he doesn't swallow it. So I just prefer that they chew it to the point where if he does have a larger plaque deposit on his teeth, he'll be able to remove it with the rawhide. But I don't allow him to chew it to the point where it's so soft he can start to swallow it. So I think that's important. So this is strictly for chewing, and it's monitored, and I do not allow them to swallow. Now we've got Bettis. Bettis is obviously a larger dog, so he can handle a little bit of toothbrushing. His gums don't tend to bleed or be as sensitive as Teddy's. Now, daily maintenance on his teeth, I actually do use the wipes, but every once in a while he does tend to get some larger plaque deposits in his back teeth, so I will brush them every once in a while. I don't really like toothpaste all that much for dogs. Even like dog toothpaste, it just kind of weirds me out because they're gonna swallow it. Whatever you put in their mouth, they're gonna swallow. So I will make my own toothpaste, if you will, if you want to call it that. Just a real simple recipe. It's about a teaspoon of coconut oil and just a tiny bit of activated charcoal. You can also put 1 drop of peppermint essential oil in this mixture if you have it. I do have some, but I don't have it here at the house. But I will add that just as a little breath freshener. So if you can get a shot here of the coconut oil, it's melted, okay? So it's in liquid form. And just lightly dab the toothbrush into the mixture. And we're gonna ask him to sit down or lay down, whichever. Sit or lay. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna come over this way. And just slide the toothbrush back into his gums. And again, I think it's helpful if you just kind of hold their mouth closed, just because they tend to want to bite it and chew on it. It's just easier this way. Obviously be very gentle. I'm not pushing, I'm just kind of allowing the brush to touch his teeth. You can see like why it's important, I think, to use something that's natural versus a toothbrush or a toothpaste rather, because like he's licking it, he's going to swallow it. So it's nice circular motions, nothing crazy. Coming up on his canines here. He doesn't tend to get a lot of plaque in the front teeth. It's more just the back. I don't know if dogs have molars. Molars? We'll call them molars. On this side. You hold his mouth. Oh, buddy. You're a good boy. Yeah, you're a good boy. He can't hear me. If you guys have been watching my videos, you know that that is his deaf, but we still like to talk to him. Ah. Yeah, we do. That's a good boy. One more little spot up here. Can you please pay attention? The cameraman doesn't care to film me. Hang on, Mr. B. Oh, one more spot here. One more spot. There we go. And then just to finish it up, I'm going to go in with a dental wipe on top of that. Oops. Oh well. Okay. Alrighty. Hands back in there, holding the jaw. Small circles. See, we've got like some yellowy plaque substance. Dental care is really important for your dogs. If you think about it, you know, like older dogs tend to have kidney issues, heart issues. Anything you can do to make sure that, you know, their blood is clean and the kidneys aren't stressed out by having to filter all that bacteria that's in their mouths, I think is to the dog's benefit. So things like, you know, valve disorders could, you know, possibly be caused by bacteria that's in their mouths. And well, I mentioned the kidneys already, but senior dogs, you know, just in general tend to have bad teeth. So if you can give them kind of a head start by brushing their teeth earlier in life, it will definitely help. So I hope you found that helpful, and I'll see you in my next video.